Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present my research. My name is Syifa Nurgania from Institut Pendidikan Indonesia Garut, and in this video I want to present my research entitled Poverty and Socio-Economic Disparities Seen from Socio-Cultural Aspects in Garut Regency. And this is what the research has been looking at. In general, poverty is defined as a condition when a person or group of people is unable to fulfill their basic rights to maintain and develop a dignified life. Poverty is a multidimensional problem that is difficult to measure, so it is necessary to agree on the measurement approach used. Socioeconomic disparities include poverty, lack of employment and welfare. Social stratification includes political and cultural gaps. The social gap in Indonesia is very visible between the rich and the poor, as well as between officials and the people. And then, sociocultural change is a symptom of changing social structures and cultural patterns in society. Sociocultural change is a common phenomenon that occurs throughout the ages in every society. Garut Regency was ranked second as the area with the most poor people among 27 regencies or cities in West Java in 2010 by Juedah 2010. While the latest data in 2020, the poverty rate in Garut is 9.98%, and there are many factors that cause poverty and social inequality in Garut Regency, one of which is seen from the socio-cultural aspects in the community that affect the poverty rate and social inequality. Literature review on this research is poverty is a unified concept that has 5 dimensions, namely poverty powerless, state of emergency, dependency, and isolation. Social-cultural aspect, by Koncharaningrat 1990, the social-cultural aspect is everything that is created by humans with their thoughts and reason and conscience in social life, and these aspects have been inherent in humans. This research method uses a literature study research method. This literature study research is research conducted based on written works, including research results, both published and unpublished. The type of data used is secondary data that comes from literature or information in the form of print media or digital media. The data collection technique is obtained from collecting data in the library, reading, and processing research materials. The results of this research, poverty in Garut Regency is still quite high because Garut Regency's per capita income is still below the average per capita income of West Java province. The average income of West Java province is 11 million per capita per year, while the average income of Garut Regency is 8 million per capita per year. Judging from the area per capita, Garut Regency has the narrowest area. From the aspect of ownership of telecommunication infrastructure, Garut Regency also does not have adequate access to information technology. And then, Garut Regency, with its many natural potentials, does not guarantee the welfare of its people, especially from an economic perspective. The less developed socio-cultural community is caused by several factors. Namely, 1 is lack of awareness of education, and 2, social and cultural patterns of being lazy to work and not concerned with the future, so that it has an impact on the community's economic system due to poor quality human resources. In addition to the laziness that exists in the community, a mindset that is still not open-minded also has an effect on poverty. This entrenched mindset lasts a long time in the person's mind, and there is an inheritance to the younger generation, so they also participate in cultivating this mindset. As a result, efforts to minimize poverty and social inequality in Garut are increasingly hampered because one of the indicators of poverty is human resources. Conclusions of this research is Garut Regency, with its many natural potentials, does not guarantee to the welfare of its people, especially from an economic perspective. The less developed socio-cultural community is caused by several factors, namely 1 is the lack of awareness of education, and 2, social and cultural patterns of being lazy to work and not concerned with the future, so it has an impact on the community's economic system due to poor quality human resources. In addition to the laziness that exists in the community, A mindset that is still not open-minded also has an effect on poverty. The percentage of poverty in Garut district, which is 12.47% with the number of poor people, is 370.6 thousand people. The high rate of poverty is seen from the socio-cultural aspect due to the weak mindset of the community. This mindset needs to be addressed so that it does not become more entrenched in society, and the community has a more advanced mindset so as to help people get prosperity. With this, it will affect the poverty index in Garut, which is high, become low. Okay, that's my presentation. Hopefully it's useful for all. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.